Remake-up the archery kamdaya Baobing. Manipur Lok Sabha elections revang Indian National Congress Minganin Alfred K. Arthur Professor Angomja Bimol Akwaichomni Kabongkriera. Excise policy link sund Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal Enforcement Directorate na to create. Lake Yangator, Aji the Tangkhul Express Ripau, Wungramphi Ngalung in a Bami delay, Baobing may sign Nganang Rumsa. Indian National Congress INC with Lok Sabha elections Manipur candidates Aming Pong Miera, former MLA Alfred K. Arthur, outer Manipur Lok Sabha constituency li Nganingra, kala inner Manipur Lok Sabha li JNU Professor Angomja Bimol Akwaicham na Nganingra Jahaira. Lagavak Lok Sabha elections revang BJP with candidates list kamate Shokaira, Kam Manipur with candidates Mapong Miranga. Party Jina candidates 291 with Aming Jishad Miera. Pauzata Kale Taka, BJP na MP Rajkumar Ranjan Singh, Maningaka MLA Rajkumar Imo Singh Li Kabanglapai Jia. Center Gatana Bing na CM Burendi, Nganing sa Kangaina, Ka Buren na Mamayangai Lalaya, Kachilahanga. Excise policy link sunda lupa khayam gaza casely Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal Enforcement Directorate ED na to create. Kejriwal achahontang Central Agency na to create aya Rose Avenue Courtly Krivayo. Ali arrest kasaji mangi mana tarakana protest sahira interrogations revang the ED na taratangwi custody boya. India na Ningkan Sampang Gahai, we are dumbly sitting Chief Minister Akawidungni Chikata Legal Action Kakwihi, Kejriwali to Kakwihi na Kareng Saya. Kejriwali Matukwirang Laka Idina Ali Chiko Shida Saman Zair Sai, Ka Idi we Samanji illegal na da Kejriwal na Mavala Rashum Laga Achahondang to Kwe Kahaina. Excise policy link sunda Kejriwal Witungni Makangi measures Kokwiwi Aina Ngag Mekawai Bli Pohaira Kasana Ka Blichi Achahon Tarik Makatang Delhi High Court Li dismiss Sahawa Kejriwali to Kokwi G opposition parties being Congress Katana Rahul Kanti Zangda condemn Sahara AAB Minister Adishana BJP led central government Li Makamaya Pongshokta, Kejriwal na Pato Buyena, CM on Ngurut Sara Kachihanga. Maram Hiwivang M. Atmi Party, AAT na Delhi li protest la Sahara. Protest Sakachite Juli Delhi Minister Adisha Aina, Sarup Parwach Zangda Party members Pingli detained Sahawa, Kala AAB Party Office Bumni Section 144 Haimihira. Election nganai kahai atam khitaran Kejriwali to kokwihi BJP shorgana opposition with paikarli hapkawai kasana la motel mode of conduct li matung makanda kasana da opposition katana ngata date makamaya pongshoka 18 Lok Sabha elections revang Manipurli expenditure observer katum Juhong Haira Election Commissions of India na appoint kasa expenditure observer katum Jina election campaigning monitor Sarad Joint Chief Electoral Officer of Manipur and Ramananda Hanga Jainang Soda Police Observer katum General Observer katum la appoint Samira Dalai Bol Personal Training Security Force Bingwi, Zangda District Kachida, Rumidalay Kachilo Officer Jina Hang Sangam, Joint CEO na Kahang, State Election Authority na internally displaced person ITPS with Special Bowling Station Hangjiko Dachishat Mujutkwid Haidalay. Staff Election Commission Manipur Constable Recruitment Result Shock Miera Central Armed Police Force Vivang Recruitment Gasawi Result Saikorui Achakum Pay Kajang Shock Mi Gahaina Ka Achakum Manipur with Law and Order na Maram Sada Physical and Medical Desk Masaka Pai Vivang Desk G Naumita Face Ngata Teli Salaka Kupsanga Chithada Manipur we result achahon Tarik Tarada Pangatang shock mia ka chili face akawi result mazang satu the result chi withdraw sahawa. Officials bow ati shoda data computation error kashoile kasaji. Mushung sang the final result shock me era. Manipur we 597 vacancies bingji. Border Security Force BSF, Central Industrial Security Force CISF, Central Reserve Police Force CRBF, Sashastra Sima Bal SSB, Indo-Tibetan Border Police ITBB, Assam Rifles, Narcotics Control Bureau NCB kala SSF Wivang Naji. Laiha Kangayet Namaram Sada Maunau Bingli Kakasham quit notice Kame Maramli United Naka Council UNC na Ninka Creek Pongsho Kaira Naka ka Setri Lo Atishura Mashun Kameli Katom Kawai Kubo Sahira Tenyemi Public Council DPO na Abamji Inspect Sada Ultimatum Fulfill Kasala UNC na take energy. Mau Council na ultimatum sure kawai Adam Jada Paikar Kwihira Rest House Restore Kasa CRBC 144 Kwikashok Kala Ngayet da Kale Abamwin Security Personals Kwikashok Hikata Hi Sahai Rada UNC na Hangsanga. Southern Ankami Public Organization SABO ena Ankami Youth Organization Ayona Mau Community le quit notice kamejina ningli sadzi khangsak le gahai hi phakami ning ena yangsang palungrad council jin hanga Naka khu ungtrakana le ret Sangrokta Leha Kangaye Tiva Shokakasaina Ka Naka Shunkurwi Alungli Tuklak Kahai Kangakai Shokapaiwi Ninka Creek later Kanini Shina Chingri Kahai Shongza Kwikavai United Naka Council Nakawhaira Manipur with District Psychorally Mobile Internet Service Miami Hira Rida Abam Kaikali Service Kami Haigasa Kwishokaira State we Rod Kamarat Shokazar Bamli Mobile Tower Service being the Internet Connectivity Kame Kamaira Sada Chandel Kakching Churachandpur Bishnupur Imphal West Imphal East Tobal Kala Dengnobalwi Abam Ngata Italy Mobile Internet Suspend Sagasana Ka Suspension State Shorkan revoke Sahira, Maram Kiwivang, Manipur with Chief Secretary Kak Mihira. Manipurli Congress Party financially jot the Kale Pongshokaira. Opposition Congress na BJP Katan Shorkarli Mamaya Kangai Pongshokta Congress refinancely Hub Kangai Pianaira. Election Wivang the Legasa Congress with Fund Fritz Sami Kawai PJP Shorkana Income Tax Department Li Chizakame Opposition Jina Pianaira. INC Bank Account Fritz Sami Kahai Kacha Mashichin Kangsak Li Zangda Kale Lupa 285 crore Kashungaji Lupaji grassroots level workers, members of parliament, member of legislative assemblies being elections hiwivang la expenditure kate wivang kamina da hanga. Aya Congress Bhavan Imphali Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President Kaisham Mekhachandran Kahang Angaret hi party chili Peipang Club Mikahai ena Ngaraicha Haira. Congress Party Account Kalay Bank Branch Tarada Akawena Lupa Mukushok Paitura da Hanga. Assessment year 2018 to 19 with returns filling Huyaud penalty Lupa 115 crore kada income tax department Li Misangainaji. Sadakli Otsa Ki Taida MLA K Mekhachandra Nala ruling Shorkarli Kandem Gasa Pongshoka. Opposition leaders Okram Ibobi Singh Nala Makamaya Pongshokta ruling government na democracy na Chandale Jihira. Okram Ibobi na Kahang IT department na Congress lit notice Kani Mihaidale Kalaji Akana FY 2017 to 18 we Kala Akana FY 1993 to 1994 winner. Sada Kalay hi BJP Shorkana Congress li ngajam thada ngaryo kawai abong masampang sa kawai kasana jhaira pauhi ani na we na kwikamaron. India wing Rio Ngahan Ranye Makeup Kachili Kazang Indian Premier League IBL we match Kani Guwahati li Rungmi Kawai Ngaranaira 2024 IPL Aya Jenaili Habokaira 2023 Kum Guwahati we Bar Sabara Stadium ni Rajasthan Royals we IPL match Kani Makok Mia Ajukumla Rajasthan Royals na Punjab Kings na Delhi Capitals li ngariyo ki kichi match Kani Guwahati li Karamwi hapta ka Kani na kakutumni Rumira Pauhi Ranjit Barthakar Executive Chairman Royal Multisport Rajasthan Royals we akavan confirm Sarahaira Latlita Achiwi Kamdaya Baubing Manipur Lok Sabha elections revang Indian National Congress Minganin Alfred K. Arthur Professor Angomja Bimol Akwaichomni Kabangkuyera Excise Policy Ling Sund Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal Enforcement Directorate na Tukuyera Ajuwi pau hiling changairo pau ngana da klin tum sai ko ring ka pa kala kamahaya zimikshong sa sera